Why am I acting like I'm on Dora the Explorer? Let me know in the comments what film that phrase is from. And I hope I'm not showing my age. Not rounding numbers. That was last week's topic. Yeah, so not because it's half term doesn't mean you just leave the maths alone. You know? You build it into long-term knowledge. Hey math teamaticians, it's T here, your YouTube math tutor. It's half term here in the UK. How's your week been? I hope it's been a good week. I just wanted to say that even if you haven't been good, not every day is gonna be sunshine and rainbows, okay? But whatever the weather, every day, try to be the best person you can be, you know? Because today is a gift. That's why we call it a present. Let me know in the comments what film that phrase is from. This week's topic is areas of rectangles and squares. All you need to know is how to multiply. This topic can be used in everyday life as well. Say if you're trying to do up your room and you want a rug and you wanted to know if the rug could fit into your room, you could find out the area of your room. And then you can find out the size of the rug. If it's smaller than the area of your room, then the rug will fit in. If it's larger than the area of your room, then you're going to be having rugs on the edge of your walls. And I don't think that's a vibe. So with that all out the way, let's get into the video. So the area is the amount of space inside a 2D shape, inside of a flat shape. Yeah, these areas here are shaded in. Rectangle has orange area shaded in that we're going to find out, and the square has purple shaded area that we're going to find out. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so to find the area of a rectangle and a square, use a similar technique. You might hear base times height, but I use length times width. So it doesn't matter if you use base times height or length times width. I just prefer length times width because then when you go into 3D shapes, there's a height involved, and now you can do length times width times height. So let's find out the area of the first one. I'm going to label the area A, and we know that it is length times width. Our length, it can be either one, but I'm going to use our length as 3 and our width as 8. If I rotate the shape, then the width and the length can change, but it's the same because they're just being times together, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, so our length is 3, and we're going to times it by 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, so now we've found the area, we need to have the correct units. You've technically timed centimeters by centimeters as well, so it's going to be centimeters squared. So the area for the orange rectangle is 24 centimeters squared. We're going to now find out the area of a square. So A equals, we know it's length times width. We've only been given one length, but we know that squares are special because all of the lengths are equal. So our length is 5, and we are going to times it by 5 because the length and the width are equal in a square. Yeah. So the area of this square is 25 meters squared because obviously m times m would make it squared. If it's m times m times m, it'll be cubed. Cool, let's get into some practice then. Here's some examples for you to try. Feel free to pause the video and have a go at them. And then resume the video when you are ready for the answers. Alright, welcome back. Let's get straight into it. So the first question says find the area of the square. So we know that it's a square. What's special about a square is that all the sides are equal. So I'm going to put 7 here so that I remember that that's 7 as well. So now our area is length times width. So it's 7 times 7, which is equal to 49. And our units is in meters, so it's going to be meters squared. So that is the first one. Cool. Let's move on to the second one now. It's saying let's find the area of the rectangle. Yeah, so now we know that the length and the width are different in size. Yeah, so our length is 8 and our width is 21. So our area is 8 times 21, which is 168 centimeters squared. And there we go. So that was areas of rectangles and squares. If you found anything useful in this video, please like and subscribe, and check out my video on expanding brackets, because areas and rectangles and expanding brackets usually tie in together, and we know that maths aren't separate topics. So check out that video and I'll see you there. See ya!